Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansa. I hope you all are doing well. From the title of the video, you guys already know we're talking about shoes today. All things shoes. So I have been shopping around for shoes. I was at that stage in my life when really most of my shoes were either not my style or I just wasn't feeling it anymore. So I got rid of a lot of them and just donated them, and I'm kind of starting off fresh. So these are some of the shoes that I've been picking up. I think I have about 11 pairs of shoes or so. So I don't want this video to be too long, so let's jump right into it. I'm gonna start off with the shoes that I got from Miss Lola. You guys know I did in my vlog where I talked about Miss Lola shoes. I'll leave the link in the description box and somewhere up on the cards right here. I had shopped from Miss Lola and I had to return those because of the fitting. Those were more of like summer shoes and the fitting was just not right. But these ones right here, baby, let's get into it, okay? So let's start off with these fire green shoes. Now look, you guys know this shade of green right here, this Kelly green I like to call it, or Bottega green. It's the it. It is the it. It is so trendy. It is just beautiful and I love the shoe. So we got this mesh detail on it. Let me bring it up close. It has a mesh detail on it, and also it's pointy toe, so you guys know that's sexy. And it has long straps, so you can just, you know, strap it around your ankle and it will look so gorgeous. This is the heel. It is just a 4-inch heel, so it's just perfect for me. Anything higher than this, I'm gonna be uncomfortable. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a mommy, so I struggle with that. So these right here will just give me the that I need, you know, that lift, but still I'll be comfortable and it is sexy. And I have never worn it, as you can see, but it is so beautiful. Okay, so next, since we're still talking about green, let me go in and share this beautiful green pair that I got also from Miss Lola, and this is what it looks like. So it has a clear strap on the back, and also this side right here is clear, as you can see, and then everything else on the toes and around the sides and also on the heel is green. It is that same Kelly green, that Bottega Veneta green that everybody is talking about, and it just pops so much. And let me tell you, this shade of green looks so good against my skin tone, you know, that deep chocolate skin tone, and it will look good on any skin tone actually. It is so perfect. Now, the reason why I really like this was the clear parts, and also the heel is low. So if you're somebody that struggles with wearing heels, or you're not just comfortable in higher heels, this is really comfortable. It's really low, but it's also very classy and trendy at the same time. So this is what it looks like up close. I love it, y'all. This is so comfortable. So I got that. And I would make sure to leave the links to these shoes. If they're available, I would leave the links in the description box if you guys want to check it out. So next I have the sandal. This is like a burnt orange. This is like a rust color. This is a rust. So it's like a between an orange and a brown. It is so gorgeous. Oh man. It is so nice. And it's also that you see, the straps are so long, you could just tie it around. Now, I've been seeing a lot of girls just wear jeans and just tie this around. I've never tried that look. Like I said, I'm not the trendiest person, but it looks so good on them. I don't know if I would like it on me, but this is what the shoe looks like. Just a simple classic sandal strappy heel, and this is what it looks like. I like that this one just runs across like that. So gorgeous, really simple, really sexy. I love this. This will look good when I'm wearing jeans, like skinny jeans that are really tapered down, and you wear these, get you a nice pedicure, you know, toes be popping, all greased up. It will look so cute. So I really, really like this shoe as well from Miss Lola. The heel, I think it's a 4-inch as well. So it's not bad. It's quite comfortable. And now my next 3 shoes from Miss Lola are all nudes. This one right here was different. I was skeptical about getting it, but I really like this part. This is a designer inspired look. I cannot remember off the top of my head what designer they're trying to copy, but that's the look they're going for. Now the reason why I got this nude heel was the heel. Actually, the style of the heel is quite different. This is what it looks like. So it's different, as you can see. I like the fact it's really comfortable because the heel is not, you know, it's not that slim, slender heel. So this can support a whole lot of weight. And this is what it looks like on the back. It just straps around your ankle, as you can see. Just straps right there, and it's just so gorgeous. This will look good with any, I mean, it's a nude, so it'll look good with any outfit, really. A dress, pants, jeans, whatever you want to wear it with, a skirt, it will still look good. So that's one nude heel I got from Miss Lola. Okay, next I got another nude heel from Miss Lola. This is what it looks like. Now, the detail on the front, that's what it looks like right here. So this is where your big toe goes and the rest of your toes go right here. And the heel is really, really comfortable. I believe this is like a 3¼ inch heel. And also strappy. Y'all know strappy is what? The order of the day. So we're strapping, okay? We're strapping, girl. Now, this one right here, I've never wanted to. But my sister has it, and she is screaming fire. She says it hurts right here. When I tried it on, I mean, I just walked around the house. It didn't really hurt so bad. So I don't know, if I try it and it doesn't work, I will have to, I mean, and it hurts, I will have to look for a hack. I think this is the problem right here. This might be the problem, just right there. If I can find like a Band-Aid or something cushiony to put there, I would do it. But I'm not returning these shoes. I love these shoes. They look so, so nice. Look at it. Oh, why would I want to return it? No, there's pain in beauty. It's okay. We're going to be cute. So this is what it looks like. So just to put it out there, if you're iffy about that type of comfort around here, maybe this is not the best option for you. But overall, it is really a beautiful pair of shoes. Now, this last heel that I got, I still don't know why I got it. I don't know. Maybe it was one of those midnight purchases that I do in my bed, trying to sleep, but trying to spend my money. I hope my husband is not watching this video, babe. It's really nice. It's a really nice sandal, but I should have known better. My instep sits so high. My foot is really high up there. I should have known that shoes like this don't work for me. They just don't work. I usually don't buy shoes like this. That's why when I got the package, I opened it. I was like, wait, did I buy this? For real? I know I wasn't drunk, so. But yeah, so if it's somebody with a narrow foot, your foot does not sit as high, your instep, this will definitely work for you. I think I got it because of the clear straps that it got right here. And also the heel. Look at how different that is. It's just so different. So you guys, this definitely did not work. It did not work at all, but I did not return it. I will probably be giving it to somebody else that can wear it. This is what it looks like. Really nice. I just love that detail that it has on the heel. It just, that detail on the heel just does it for me. And it is the square toe as well, as you can see. So yeah, that's the last one that I got from Miss Lola. And then I would move on to the Shein shoes. Now, if you guys know me, you know I am obsessed with Shein. I love everything Shein. And I bought some shoes from them. This is another nude strap. And it is so nice. I got this because of the length of the heel. It is so comfortable. And I've not worn it out yet, but just around the house when I got it. And I like the rhinestone details that it has on the top. And also the strap is just an elastic. So some people like to stay away from straps like this because it tends to push your foot forward and makes it look like, especially if you got those long toes and they be protruding out, and then here comes your here comes your heel right here. So if that's what you don't like, this does have that elastic strap, unlike the regular, shoe strap that you would have. but I love it. I don't have any problem with it. It's my perfect size. Now, for reference, I wear a size 10, and all the shoes that I just showed you, they're size 10. Now, when it comes to Shein, just because they run smaller, I size up to an 11, and this fit me perfectly. This is an 11, and this is what it looks like up close. Now, next I got these strappy heels as well. This is another designer inspired shoe. I believe this is a Bottega inspired shoe. I would leave the original on the screen right here, but this is designer inspired, and I actually got it because it's just a classic simple square toe heel, and I love it so much. Also from Shein in the size 11. And I particularly like the way that the strap wraps around your ankle, as you can see. I think that is super gorgeous. That's what the shoe looks like right here. And I got this in I think this is more like a bubblegum pink. I am looking for the perfect accessory for this. I do not have an accessory for this yet, but I'm shopping around for it. And by the way, I also have the shoe in black, and I wore it already. I will put the pictures inserted somewhere here on the screen. I wore it to a party, and it was really comfortable. I was fine, but after a while, it hurt a little bit. Of course, they're heels, and I've not been wearing heels for a while, so I think it would just need a little getting used to. But apart from that, I love it. So I got it in black, same size. I mean, same size, yeah, same design, but different colors. Last shoe that I got from Shein is this gorgeous popping neon orange heel. Now, on camera, I know it is giving more like a yellow, but I'm going to show you what it looks like, the true color. So this is the true color of the shoe. As you can see, it is orange. It is a very bright neon orange shoe. As you can see, I also got it in an 11. The heel is a little lower than the previous shoe that I showed you. And guys, this is also an 11. So tell me why this is so big. Look, my foot was like right here. My heel was like right here. It is too big. And I just didn't feel like returning just one item. So I had to keep it. But yeah, it did not work. It is too big for me. So I'm probably also looking for somebody to give it to. So this is the true color of the shoe. It is a beautiful, bright neon orange color. So guys, the last two pairs of shoes I got are from DSW, Designer Shoe Warehouse. I love them so much. I love their shoes. They're nice quality. Of course, they're not going to be your regular Shein quality. They're going to be nicer. And of course, you're going to spend more money. But these shoes right here, I was obsessed with these shoes. Zara has it. And I was seeing it all over the place. And I'm just a sucker for these colors this summer and spring. But it was sold out on Zara, and I was so sad. And as God will have it, I found it at DSW.com. I could not believe it. They didn't even have it in my store. I found it online because I'm always shopping online. I shop more online than in stores. And these are the shoes. Y'all, look at this. This is so gorgeous. Now, I have won this shoe. I would insert a picture of it. I wore the shoe for Easter. This was my Easter shoe, and I was so happy. Now, this is the most comfortable shoe in the whole lot that I'm just sharing with you here. Out of this haul, these shoes are the most comfortable. They are so comfortable, and I got it in a fuchsia color. It is a pointy toe, and it has the stripes that kind of crisscross on the back. And this is the heel. It is just a 4-inch heel, so it's very comfortable. It is like a suede material, and what makes it bomb is this detail right here. Really sturdy. Can you hear that? It is so sturdy, super strong. Let me come up close so you guys can see it. Oh, this shoe is so perfect, y'all. It is so gorgeous. I love it. This is one of my favorite shoes. Like I said, it is more pricey than the other stuff that I just showed you, but it is super gorgeous. Again, I will have all the links in the description box for you guys if you are interested in these shoes. I would leave the link for Zara and the link for DSW as well. And y'all, I had to buy the same exact shoe in blue. Now this one, I've not even opened it yet, as you can see. Let's just open it real quick. And this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Can you guys get into it? Can we get into the shoe right now? Can we just get into it? Look at that. Look at that against my skin tone. Look at that. This is so gorgeous. Same style, same everything, just a different color. That is me. If I love your design like that, I will get it in all the colors that you that they come in. So beautiful. Again, with the rhinestone details on. I'm not even sure if this is no, I don't think this is a rhinestone. Whatever detail it is super, super, super girly, super gorgeous with the suede, as you can see. And this is what the strap looks like. This is quite a girly and just a sexy heel. You will look good in this heel. Imagine this against a hot pink, against black, against nude, name it. It is drop dead gorgeous. Okay, if you don't get anything from this haul, get these shoes. Get these shoes. This one or the pink one, you need it in your life. Okay, that's simple. Mic drop.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
So that was all I had for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this shoe haul with me. And do check out the links in the description box from Shein, from Miss Lola, and also from DSW if you're interested in any of them. Those are affiliate links, by the way. It just means that if you use my links to purchase anything, I will be able to earn a little commission at no extra cost to you, of course. It's just a way of supporting the channel and just supporting your girl so that I'll be able to come up with more fly, bomb, girly stuff for you. You know, spring is here, summer's here, Mother's Day, birthdays, graduations, wedding, name it. Y'all want to look fly? Stay on this channel, okay? I'm not promising any try-on hauls like clothing try-on hauls. No, I'm not promising that. But when it comes to accessories and stuff like this, I got you, girl. And if you also want to see clothing, I could try, but I'm not sure about the try-on part, but I can bring out new stuff. I've been buying a lot of stuff from Zara, and I've been popping. If you've not been following me on Instagram, y'all, this is the time. Follow your girl on Instagram. I do share my pictures on there, and I've been styling a lot of things, and you guys have just been loving it. I have been sending links to a lot of people. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. My name is MansaQueen on there as well. And also on Facebook, my name is also MansaQueen. And also do check out my cooking channel, MansaQueen. I know this is At Home with Mansa, but I'm the face behind both channels. They are my babies. I'm the face behind it. So thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Share it with any shoe lovers that you know. And until I come your way next time, y'all stay safe, stay cute, stay beautiful. All right, bye.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged